Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taylor. Today we're gonna be doing a fall. Today we're gonna be doing a fall casual lookbook. Not really lookbook, more like a haul, but not really a haul. Kind of like a lookbook. You know what I'm saying? Like we're just gonna be trying on outfits. Fall and winter fashion is the best fashion out there, and you can argue with someone else because you're not about to argue with me. If you argue with me and you say that spring and summer is, you don't even know how to dress right. What is that? Bruh. Do I have to start this all over? I'm not starting this over. Excuse the mark. I'm gonna cover it. That's so ugly. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and get started, alright? Alright, we're back in a different shirt. Sorry about that. That was so nasty. Anyways, our first outfit is this. I got this off of Honey Bum when they had their sale. It was like 40% off. These are the shorts. And this is the top. It's like cropped or whatever, and that bothers me. That's the first outfit. This you're gonna be seeing me posting and everything. It's really cute, really fallish, really Texas winter-ish if you're brave enough to wear shorts during that time. This is like a fall winter lookbook type of deal. But this is one of my shirts that I could be wearing during the fall. It says Boss Babe. Don't know what it's inspired by, but I know that there's a Netflix show called Boss Babe. Pretty good. True story. You should probably watch it. It's pretty good. You know, it's pretty good. Alright, next outfit. This really stylish three-piece outfit that I have, what's the word for this type of material? Oh, I don't remember, but you know what I'm talking about. Starts with a C maybe. I have this type of jacket, and it's one of my favorite jackets ever. I have that jacket, and I have some black jeans from H&M. They're really cute and stretchy. H&M has probably the best jeans out there. And I also have another crop top. Why do I keep buying crop tops? Because I think I'm just going to get skinny really fast. And here I am, still fat. But I have this crop top that goes with the jeans. And I feel like it's a real good fall fit because it still has summer vibes. But the colors in the shirt are like late summer, early fall. You know what I'm talking about? You know? Yeah. Next outfit. Alright, the next outfit is a really basic outfit, but that's what this video is about, being basic and casual and not dressing up really that much to impress anybody, but enough to look like you could walk out the house and not look like a bum. You know, this is not a bum video, but this could be your bum outfit. I have some regular, schmegular black leggings that I've had for years now. I'm surprised they haven't burnt up on me. And also this hoodie, so you know it's really a hoodie, that says should have stayed in bed. This is for my college kids out there. If you want to get this jacket, it's by this at, don't know where I'm gonna put it. It's probably gonna be in the description if I remember to put it in. This girl name, I don't even know how to say it because every time I try to remember her at, it's like by Syrian something or something like that. I have no idea, but it's a collab with some other person, and I thought it was really cute, and I bought it right when it released on accident because I didn't know it just released, but it just released, and I think it's really cute. Please do not walk up behind someone in this outfit. I am not responsible for anything that happens. It's not my fault. You don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. Okay, next outfit is another, you know, like the one with the spaghetti straps, but not as dressy up. If anything, it probably is the same. Whatever. Is this sweater that I got from Fashion Nova when I used to shop at Fashion Nova. This is definitely for the fall because if you wear this in winter, it has some holes in it all around, and you will probably like a little chilly, just a little chilly. So we have this right here. V-neck, you know, there's no, you can't button it up or anything. This is how it's designed, along with some gray jeans, some gray How would you say this style is? It's not distressed. I know what the word is. I just can't remember. I just can't remember what it's called. But these are the jeans. This is how it looks on camera. With that shirt would be really bomb. If anything, you could wear that on like a date. It's a date outfit. If anything, you wear it to a date. You can wear it to school one day because you felt like getting a little bit cute that day, just a little bit, but not too cute that you don't feel uncomfortable. Because you know sometimes beauty comes with pain. You know sometimes it comes with pain. You know what I'm talking about. I know you do. Like these braids. Beauty comes with pain. I promise. I'm not okay. Next outfit. Our last and final outfit is for the cute girls out there. We all cute, okay, in our own way. But this for the ones that like to dress up like this. Like that type of cute girl. You know what I'm saying? We have this 90s anime it's not vintage. It's not vintage, but it looks kind of vintage. But it's a 90s anime pink crew neck along with some blue jean shorts from American Eagle. The only shorts that I can fit and have been able to fit this summer. Even though all the rest of them look the exact same, but I just can't fit them. No, I can fit the black ones. But this outfit today is really cute. If you tuck this in a little bit with this and you have like a somewhat smaller waist, oh my gosh. A fit. Yes, I know. You're welcome that I'm giving you all these fit ideas. I will be trying to link all of the websites that I bought all this stuff from if they're still in stock. I have no idea if everything is still in stock, so I can't help you if it's not in stock. That's not my fault, you know. I probably took the last one on accident and it's not my fault. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video and you got some inspiration for the fall time. Leave a comment down below what your favorite outfit was that you've seen so far, or if you want me to make another one, like a part 2. I have a lot of clothes, so I can make a part 2. I just wanted to do a few outfits for today. You know, I didn't want to overextend my welcome here, you know, unlike some people that just don't get the hint. I hope that you liked this video. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. We're almost to 100. We're still gonna party once we reach 100 subscribers on my Instagram. We're gonna go live and we're just gonna jam until Instagram turns off my live because I'm playing real music. I might put on some beats instead, but you know, they just don't like you playing music on your live. So I'm gonna do that. And we're gonna party up once we hit 100 subscribers, and then the next goal will be 1,000. Well, actually 500, but the real goal is 1,000 right now. But I'm really just trying to get to 100, and then 500, and then 1,000. Once I hit 1,000, it's over for everybody. Okay, YouTube is just for fun right now, but I still want the subscribers so I can keep going and having motivation. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on now. Everybody knows this. Everybody knows this. Everybody knows that you want to receive what you are giving out. I'm giving out energy. I want it back. Okay? Thank you for everything. See you later. Bye.